Ah. Where TF am I, bro? Bro, why I know? I hate my life. Why me? Well, Alias, let's check what's in these lockers. Woo woo woo, yummy.
Come on, guys. Don't be late.
Lol, sorry, bestie. Jessica's coming.
Hi guys, sorry I'm late lol.
It's okay, best. Oh my god, do y'all see that ugly, poor, bacon noob?
No. Oh, now I see her.
Me too, I didn't see her, but now I also see her.
Hey, ugly, poor bacon.
You're so ugly and poor, hahaha.
Don't stay so close to me, filthy rats. You guys are just STINKY. Stupid bullies, I spelled it because you're so dumb. You don't know how to spell ha ha ha.
Oh my god, shut up, get her. You're ugly, and OOB.
Is this slow motion?
오, 귀여워.
Lol, she looks stupid.
Oh, wow.
Oh, she pushed me? UGHHH.
Oh my god, how dare you hurt my besties.
Well, I have no idea how to hit people, but here goes nothing.
Ah, you're so not pretty or cool. Ugly brat, you are a.